If you want to learn how to build dApps, if you want to learn how to build decentralized applications quickly, then this course is for you. And really, it's so much more than a course, it's a whole experience. This whole experience is for you. Because this course will teach you how to create dApps from scratch using simple JavaScript. And we will be using Moralis Web3 platform in order to make it as simple as possible. Because Moralis really manages most of the complexity when it comes to dApp creation, so that you can quickly build your dApp on Ethereum, Binance Chain, Polygon, Arbitrum, Avalanche, even Solana and Elrond, and so on and so forth. And it's very easy to do, and it's all cross-chain by default. And you can launch your app on different platforms. For example, if you create a decentralized app, you can launch it on the web, you can launch it on iOS, you can launch it on Android, you can launch it on Xbox, on PlayStation. We have all kinds of integrations and SDKs so that you can easily take whatever idea you have and you can go to market within days. And this is what developers that use Moralis actually tell us, that they save up to 90% of development time. And when you convert it to dollar amounts, you see that it becomes very, very big very, very soon. Because if we shave off 90% of development time and we make it easy for you to build, you save a lot of time, a lot of money, and you go to market quickly and you capture opportunities faster. So that's why Moralis is so important. And as you will understand when you go through this course, it's very practical. You build along with Chris, who will be the instructor for this course. And as you can see in our documentation, if you go to docs.moralis.io, it's very straightforward to understand the structure of the course if you just look here on the left. Because we will be going through step by step, starting with how to log in a user, how to log in a user on all blockchains, how to log in a user no matter which wallet they use, how to use Wallet Connect, how to do it quickly and simple with just a few lines of code of JavaScript. You can also log in your user with email if you want. For example, if you build a game or some kind of app where you have users that don't have any wallet, they don't know what crypto is, but you still want to onboard them in a familiar and easy way, you can log in with email and then you can connect a crypto address. You're gonna know how that is done. You can merge addresses. So this is an important feature. Let's say you have a user and they have many different addresses. Maybe they trade using different addresses, using different dexes, and you want to show them a list of all their transactions across all addresses. Well, you can merge addresses using Moralis into one single user profile. So you can know what your user is doing across all chains if they connect all their addresses to their profile. Very easy to do with Moralis. Then, of course, you're going to learn how to send assets, how to send NFTs, how to send ETH, how to send tokens. And this is cross-chain, of course, because the same method applies for Polygon, for Binance Chain, and other blockchains. It's all cross-chain by default. Then we're going to teach you how to use the Web3 API to get all kinds of information, for example, about the transactions of a user, for example, about the native balance, the token balance. You go to token section here. We're going to go everything in depth, by the way, but here is all about the tokens, the NFTs, the metadata, the token price, everything you're gonna learn in this course. And it's gonna be so simple, because if you look, for example, how to search NFTs, you can search any NFT you want. I mean, if you truly look at it, it's one line of code: Moralis Web3 token search NFT, and you can find any NFT based on just a search string. Then we're gonna teach you how to sync smart contracts and user transactions. So for example, you have a smart contract. Each and every time something happens on chain, you can get a webhook, you can get SMS, you can get text message, you can get an email, you can run custom code, whatever you want. And the same applies to the user. When the user does something on chain, they send a transaction, they do something, they interact with a smart contract, you can watch it in real time. Very easy to do. Then you're going to learn all about how the Moralis database works, so that you can save information, you can create relations, you can query the information easily. You can even get updates in real time through live queries. It's so simple. Then you're going to learn about cloud code, basically your own custom code that Moralis can run for you, simple JavaScript, and so much more, guys. As you can see, this course is massive. It's very, very massive, and you're going to learn a lot, and it's all simple. I mean, at the end of the day, it's all going to be simple JavaScript, and that's the magic of it. If you ever get stuck, you can ask us to help you in the Moralis study group. So if you go to studygroup.moralis.io, you come to this forum, and you need to sign up. So please, the first thing you do now is sign up and then introduce yourself in this thread. So I will link it below the video. You can introduce yourself. And then you will find another link below where you can get any help you want. So Moralis, let me actually create this. Moralis course help thread. So if you don't understand something, write here if you need help. We have full-time instructors here in the academy, so that you can easily go here anytime you want and you can get help with this course so you move ahead. So if you need any kind of help during this course, just go here, Moralis course help thread. And just write here, you can reply, you can write what you don't understand, we help you instantly. So now you know what the course is gonna be about. Now you know that you're gonna learn everything you need to know to build cross-chain dApps. You're gonna be very, very surprised by how practical it is, because you will be building a lot. You will be following along, you will be building real projects, real apps. And you know that you can ask for help in the forum. And finally, if you go to moralis.io/certification, you can sign up so that you get a message when we launch Moralis Expert certification. Let me talk a bit about that because it's very important. So as you know, in Moralis, we are starting this program called Moralis Experts. The reason why we're starting it is because if you go to our Discord and you go here, for example, to hire Moralis devs, and by the way, you should join our Discord as soon as possible. If you go here to hire Moralis devs, you see that it's so many messages, people asking about, hey, can we get some developers? We need developers. Everyone needs developers. Or you go here to job offers all the times. Every time I look here, there's a new message. Someone needs developers. So we are creating a database of Moralis certified experts that we can recommend whenever somebody is looking for someone to join their team. So if you are interested in becoming certified, you need to do this full course, but after the course, you need to also do certification. We don't have it yet. But if you sign up using the link below, this one, moralis.io/certification, you come to this page, you can sign up here and we will email you when it's time. And then you're gonna get instructions how to get certification. So please do it if you are interested. If you're serious about becoming a Moralis expert and serious about working in this industry. And that's the best thing about crypto, that if you really become active here, it's so many opportunities. You can work instantly. If you know what you're doing, if you know Moralis, you have a job tomorrow. I'm telling you, if you watch this course and you know everything that is here in the left side of this menu, you have a job tomorrow. I'm telling you, you have a job tomorrow, because this industry needs developers. And with Moralis, we save the development time, we cut down development time by 80-90%. I mean, in many cases, people tell us it's 90% that we've saved. So between 80 and 90% that we save developers, this is a no-brainer for projects. So when you say that, hey, I know Moralis, they take you instantly. This is the feedback we've had this far, and this is the opportunity in front of you. So guys, to summarize, 3 things. Number 1, you know the course, watch it until the end. Number 2, you know the forum, you can get help. Number 3, sign up for Moralis Experts using the link below. You also find the code for this video below as well, so you can see when you follow along, you see the code. And that being said, guys, I hope you will enjoy. I hope you will learn a lot. And now Chris Bailey from Moralis, a senior blockchain developer, will teach you from scratch what Moralis is, how it works, and your life will be changed. If you watch this video until the end, if you watch this course until the end, your life will be changed. I promise you. Remember that and then tell me if it happened. If you're completely new to crypto, your life will be changed. But also if you are already a blockchain developer, your life will also be changed. If you don't know Moralis, it's life changing. See you guys.